After an encounter that changed their fate, Zafaro and Zaduga are now preparing to face a real threat. Today, they will face their first test as guardians of the Earth. In the midst of the busy city, Zafaro continues his work as an IT expert. However, his mind continues to think about the threat posed by Zaduga. What if an attack occurs? Are they prepared enough? In the city's power center, equipment began to show signs of danger. The unusual energy fluctuations attracted the attention of the technicians. However, no one expected that this was the start of the first attack. Suddenly, the sky opens and an alien creature appears, shooting deadly energy beams towards the power center. The townspeople were shocked and ran to save themselves. This was their first attack. Hearing the news of the attack, Zafaro wasted no time. He called Zaduga, aware that this was the moment they had been waiting for. With speed and precision, Zafaro and Zaduga prepared themselves. They know that every second counts. With advanced weapons and equipment, they rushed towards the power center under attack. At the power center, Zafaro and Zaduga arrive on time. They saw a huge and powerful alien creature absorbing energy greedily. Their first fight begins. With strong cooperation, Zafaro and Zaduga fight against alien creatures. Zafaro's martial arts skills are combined with Zaduga's laser weapons, resulting in a deadly combination. One by one, they managed to defeat the alien creatures. After a fierce battle, Zafaro and Zaduga managed to defeat all the alien creatures. The powerhouse survived, and they stood as heroes. This was their first win, but the threat was not over. With this victory, Zafaro and Zaduga realized that their task had only just begun. They prepared for the next threat, with their resolve and friendship strengthening.